Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, market finally doing some sort of a recovery. But the question is, will the market recover a lot and start a new rally from here? Or will the market again, start going down from here and this will just be a pullback, right? That's the big question over here. And if you see, first of all, let's go into the daily charts and see what we can see. But before that, also, let's go to the Nifty's weekly chart and see, right? Nifty, if you see, continuously making a lower low over here, and Nifty waited a while over here and now is breaking out, right? So in Nifty, at least it looks like things are a little bullish, but we are gonna again see that in the daily charts what we can see and how things are gonna be there, right? So let's go to the daily charts. And in Nifty, if you see, right, Nifty making a double bottom pattern over here and now breaking out from there, right? This is very good, right, over here, because whenever a double bottom is made near a low, this means that the market is reversing from there, right? So over here, Nifty has made a double bottom and looks like Nifty has a good amount of space to go up from here, right? So over here, I don't think the sellers will start selling aggressively, at least at this point, right? In Bank Nifty also, if you see, Bank Nifty has also made a double bottom pattern of sorts and now is breaking out, right? So Bank Nifty also has a lot of good space to move on the upside. So I don't think over here the sellers will try anymore to bring the market down, at least at this point, or at least until there is, some sort of a bad news in the global economy and something bad has happened. Until that happens, I think we have a very good space over here for Bank Nifty and Nifty to move, right? Again, in Bank Nifty, if you see, it has made a double bottom pattern, but if you see, there are good amount of resistances on the upside. There is 40,800 and 41,200. We also have 41,000 as the as a psychological resistance, right? And there is a gap over here, and these gaps will act as a resistance, right? So now there could be two scenarios in Bank Nifty. Either Bank Nifty goes up on Monday, tomorrow, and kind of takes resistance from here, and spends some time over here itself, and then breaks out over here on the upside, right? That is one scenario. Or what could happen is that Bank Nifty breaks out above 40,800 over here, makes a big green candle till near 41,200, or does momentum till near 41,200 in 1 or 2 days and then consolidates over here. These are the two scenarios. I think what will happen is that we could see another momentum till a good momentum till 41,100, or at least 41,050 levels on the upside till from by like tomorrow itself. And then I think we will see some sort of a consolidation over here, right? Because market will need to take a little bit of pause before going back up, right? Because once the existing buyers get out of their trade and new buyers come in, that is when the market will do a good new fresh momentum on the upside, right? And that's for Bank Nifty. Now talking about Nifty also, if you see, we have now Nifty is near 17,400 to 500, which used to be a support, right? And now it will act as a resistance. So over here, what could happen again, as is the case with Bank Nifty, Nifty also could do a little bit of momentum till 17,500, 530 to 520 over here on the upside, and then kind of take a break, because that is from where the selling has started. So over here, Nifty will take also some resistance near 17,500. So I think tomorrow we will see another momentum till these levels, and then we will see some sort of a consolidation on the upside, right? So talking about in the 15-minute chart, where you can sell, where you can buy. First of all, this is not a zone where you sell, right? We will only sell once Nifty goes below 17,080 over here, right? Until then, things could be volatile, and bears will really not want to get very aggressive over here, right? So we only sell below 17,080 to 17,100. Until then, we will not sell. We will keep on buying, because the market has turned bullish. So we will go with the flow. We will not try to sell and kind of catch the top or something, right? So anyways in Nifty, if we open flat or with a small gap down and we cross 17,380, we guys can go ahead and then buy. Your target should be 17,480 on the upside. And keep a stop loss of maximum 30 points to 35 points, not more than that. I think it will not be really needed over here. in Bank Nifty, if you see, right, Bank Nifty did a lot of momentum in the first candle itself, and same was also with Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, our things will be a little bit interesting because, as I said, somewhere over here, a gap is there. So Bank Nifty could take a little bit of resistance on the upside. So, but if you do open flat, you guys can go ahead and buy over here above 40,700. And if Bank Nifty does not instantly reverses from here, right, if Bank Nifty just stays between 40,700 and 40,820, 830, whatever the level was, till there for a few hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours, and then breaks out, then just hold your position till 41,000 at least on the upside, right? If Bank Nifty instantly reverses, just exit your position or take your profits, and we will. And then what will happen is that Bank Nifty will consolidate between this range of 40,200 to 40,800 for some days, and then will break out on the upside, right? So tomorrow, very simple. As soon as we cross the high, you guys can go ahead and buy. If we do not instantly reverse, just hold your position for the target of 40,950 on the upside, right? On the downside, we will not sell until and unless 40,000 until and unless we get a clear cut signal that 40,000 cannot be sustained, right? Because 40,000 is a psychological level. So many people, if the market comes down from here, many people won't be waiting to buy at 40,000, right? Because since, as I said, it's a psychological level, right? So we will only sell once we know that 40,000 is sustained. How will we know that? Is that if say we open if say we go below 40,000, we go till 39,800, we get back to 40,000, and then that could, and then go on to make a new low, right? If that happens, then we will go ahead and sell. Before that, we will do not sell aggressively anytime over here. Only one thing that could be a very good place to sell tomorrow is that if you open with a gap up, right? Because if the people who would have bought over here, right, now they are holding their positions. Anybody who would have even bought at this breakout, at this double bottom breakout, right, they will be holding their positions, and they would be seeing a very good profits, and their their target would be somewhere near 41,000 to 41,200, this range, right? So if we open straight up with a gap up, then you guys can go ahead and sell over here, and your target should be 40,600 to 650, or 40,700 to 750 on the downside, right? Not 600 to 650. I'm really sorry, right? Because and how you can sell is very simple. Wait for the first 5-minute candle. If we break the low of the first 5-minute candle, then you guys can go ahead and sell over here till the target of 40,750 to 700 on the downside, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today. I think this week, if we do not, if the bulls have to take over the market from here and go to new highs, they will need to at least sustain this level, if not move up from here, right? And I think we are in a very good position, from where we can see a very, very good momentum on the upside. So I think if you want to go ahead and kind of start investing, this is a very good time to invest, because it looks like the markets have started to make a kind of a good bottom, and now are breaking out. So it is a very good time to go ahead and start investing in stocks, in your favorite stocks, even in index, even in index ETFs. It's a very good time for you to do that, right? Anyways, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.